roof of her house. And she prayed to God to send her help. And so a man came back by in a rowboat and he said, I see that you need some help. Do you want to come down and get into the rowboat? And she said, no, go on. My God will help me. And he says, you sure? She said, no, I have total trust in my God. My God will help me. So he rowed on. Then another man came in a motorized boat. And he said, hey, ma'am, I see that you need help from the flood and the waters are continually rising. Do you want to get into the motorboat? There's room for you. She said, no, my God will save me. I have total faith in my God. I trust in my God. He's going to help me. So he goes on. And then the third man comes by and he's all by himself. He has plenty of room. And he tells her, you better come down because the water is continually rising. It's covering your house and now it's covering you. You can get in this boat. And she says, no, because my God is going to save me. He's always been there for me. So you can go on. So the man goes. The lady drowns. Then when she gets to heaven and she's shocked and she says to God, I prayed to you. I served you all my life and you let me drown when I trusted you. And he's like, what are you talking about? I sent you 3 boats and you rejected me each time. And this is how it is with people. If you have a blockage in your life, when you cry out from your soul's center for help, whether it's with healing, whether it's for whatever it is in your life that is a blockage, something or someone is going to appear in your life to help you. You have to recognize it and take that help. Otherwise, you're going to be in that same loop.